Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today I'm going to review this 30 amp RV surge protector from ATGFOX. I'll show you what's included in the box as well as how to install and use this surge protector. Okay, let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Gonna have your user's manual. Comes with a waterproof cover. And then your surge protector. To begin using your surge protector, you're going to first need to turn the unit over. Locate the battery compartment on the back and remove the screw with the supplied screwdriver. Pop that tab open, take the cover off, and install two AAA batteries. Then reinstall your cover, insert the screw, and secure that down. Next, you want to test the unit out by pressing the on button at the top. And it should show a display saying no power. Now we can go ahead and connect the surge protector to our outlet. And it should read correct wiring AC surge protection at the top. That means the unit is working and your power supply is good. Once you know your power supply is good, then you can go ahead and connect your RV. This surge protector features a bright LED easy to read screen to show you what's going on with your power supply. Has an attached anti-theft loop for locking up your surge protector. Features an easy to remove handle. And features this waterproof cover with drawstrings at the top. Using a surge protector is one of the easiest ways to protect your valuable appliances inside your RV and also ensure that you're going to have an enjoyable camping trip weekend. This 30 amp surge protector from ATGFOX also comes in the 50 amp. If you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and remember to get outdoors with Deano.